Moms, are you planning to travel this Mother's Day? You know, it's only a week away. Are you planning to travel with your child? Are you planning to travel with a special needs or high needs child? You may want to try practice vacation first. Now, I know it's not giving you a lot of time, but you can implement some things at home before you get on the road, before you get on the plane. You can actually do a practice vacation, meaning replicate the steps in the process of the vacation as much as possible just to get your child familiar with what to expect. Let them hear the sounds, let them see the sights, all the people. Take them to the airport and let them see all the suitcases, how that sounds and what that looks like. All the hustle and bustle, the people, the announcements, the checking in. They're having to give their luggage, going through TSA. You can actually practice those things at home. Have people, family, or whoever's comfortable doing it, to come over, especially practicing TSA if you're going to have to fly somewhere. Practice that where they're going to have to take off their shoes if they have to. Practice that where they're going to have to give up their backpack and give up their little handheld computer or whatever device they use. Because I know some of them have a fit when they have to do that. Practice that. Let them know it's okay. Those people are there for their safety and they will get it right back. Show YouTube videos so they can actually see how the whole process works. And speaking of YouTube, I've put together a I put together a video. It's by InVideo, but it is a video so you can actually see a social story of possibly how this could work. Okay, so let me share my screen. Hold on, I keep forgetting to share my screen. Okay, share. Here we go. Oops. Okay, I'm sorry, give me just a minute. I've got to put on the sound. Yeah, when you're sharing videos, you have to share the sound. I don't know if you all see all that, but okay.
Are you tired of stressful family vacations due to autism-related challenges? In this video, we explore the concept of a vacation and how it can be a game changer for autistic families. By simulating a vacation experience in a low-stakes environment, families can identify and overcome potential hurdles before embarking on a real trip. From sensory-friendly activities to communication strategies, we'll discuss and provide tips on how to make it a success. Whether you're a parent, caregiver, or individual on the autism spectrum, this video is for you. Get ready to learn how to take the stress out of family travel and create a more enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Join me as I put a practice vacation to the test and see if it really can help autistic families enjoy a stress-free trip. As a parent of an autistic child, I'm sure you've faced the daunting task of planning a family vacation. The thought of dealing with unfamiliar environments, loud noises, and disrupted routines can be overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to make traveling with autism a little more manageable? Enter the concept of practice vacations, a game-changing approach that's designed to help autistic families have a stress-free trip. For many autistic families, vacations can be a source of anxiety. Sensory overload is a major concern, with loud noises, bright lights, and strong smells causing meltdowns. Changes in routine can also be a challenge, as autistic children often thrive on predictability. And let's traveling itself. Car rides, flight delays, and hotel accommodations can be overwhelming. These challenges can make it difficult for families to enjoy quality time together, which is what vacations are all about. Another challenge autistic families face is the uncertainty of how their child will react to new environments. Will they be able to handle the stimulation of a busy theme park, or will they become overwhelmed? The fear of having a meltdown in public can be daunting, and it's not uncommon for families to avoid vacations altogether. The pressure to create lasting memories can also be stressful. As parents, we want our children to have fun and experience new things, but we also need to prioritize their. This can lead to feelings of guilt and anxiety, making it difficult to truly enjoy the vacation. The social aspect of traveling can also be a challenge. Autistic children may struggle with social interactions, and the stress of meeting new people can be overwhelming. The practice vacation approach addresses these challenges by breaking down the vacation experience into manageable parts. The P stands for planning, which involves researching and preparing for the trip, including creating a visual schedule and packing a sensory kit. The R is for rehearsal, where families practice and rehearse the trip, including things like packing and unpacking. The A is for anticipation, where families talk about what to expect and build excitement. The C is for coaching, where families learn strategies for managing meltdowns and regulating emotions. The T is for trial, where families take a short trial trip to test their skills. The I is for iteration, where families reflect on their experience and make adjustments. And the C is for celebration, where families celebrate their successes and reflect on what worked well. Each element of the practice approach addresses specific challenges faced by autistic families. By planning and rehearsing, families can reduce anxiety and uncertainty. By anticipating and coaching, families can better manage meltdowns and regulate emotions. And by taking a trial trip and iterating, families can fine-tune their approach and build confidence. One family I spoke with took a practice vacation to the beach and was amazed at how well it worked. Their autistic child was able to enjoy the trip thanks to the visual schedule and sensory kit they prepared. They even reported a significant reduction in meltdowns and were able to enjoy quality time together as a family. The practice vacation approach really helped this family have a stress-free trip, and they were able to enjoy their time together. What really stood out was how empowered they felt, knowing they had the tools and strategies to manage any challenges that came up. Recap practice. Vacations offer a promising solution for autistic families looking to reduce stress and enhance family enjoyment. If you've had an experience with practice vacations or traveling with autism, I'd love to hear about it. Comment below with your stories and questions. And if you're interested in learning more about autism-friendly travel, be sure to check out our next video on accessible theme parks.
Okay, and there you have it. So I hope that you can use some of those tips. If you've already done that or tried this strategy, please leave a comment below and let us know how it worked out for you. What did you do? What worked? What didn't work? Did you go somewhere far? Did you have to get on a plane and deal with all of that? Was it a cruise? Was it just a hotel or a theme park? What was your experience? What did you do? Please share. We would love to hear about that. And in the meantime, you guys, please do enjoy your Mother's Day. I know when you're dealing with neurodivergent children, especially really high needs, it, you don't always get that break. But I have put together a video also for moms to give you some ideas of how to be able to do that. And I'll put a link to that video in the description box of this video. Okay? Please enjoy your day. Know that you're not alone. Know that you're not alone. I know so many moms feel like that, especially when you're a single mom. I get it. I'm a single mom, empty nester now, but trust me, I definitely get it. But every day's Mother's Day, right? Every day's Mother's Day for us. But the world just acknowledges us on one day. I mean, you only have to do one day. You can have every day. Do something special for yourself every day. And the video that I leave in this description box can give you some ideas of things to do every day, every weekend, however you want to do that. But you've got to look out for you. Your mental health is so incredibly important because that affects your physical health, right? Okay, guys, I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your day. And if I don't talk to you before then, definitely enjoy your Mother's Day. Bye.